Hi, good morning. I hope you're all well. So today is Advent day number 3. I love doing these videos. So I'm going to show you, first of all, what I've got in the number 7, the Boots number 7, 25 Days of Beauty Advent calendar. Honestly, I still love the way that this Advent calendar opens. So there we go. So that's it there. If you haven't watched any of my other days, I will try and find number 3. So number 3 is here. Popping it open. So number 3 is Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Serum. I'm always running out of serum, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. I think I've said already, I'm popping everything back in so I can use it all on Christmas Day. So I'll take it all out on Christmas Day. But I'm looking forward to that. The same with this one, just trying all the different products on Christmas Day. So day number 3. So far in this one, I've had the Natasha Denona, the Luxie brush. So let's see what day number 3 brings. I love the boxes in this. Day number 3, down here. They've all been down at the bottom section. And look, I love the tissue paper as well. I think I might keep this one and do a giveaway. I'll make my own kind of giveaway advent calendar for subscribers for next year. Oh, this is one of my favourite brands and one of my favourites. It's Molten Brown, Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. I love Molten Brown Shower Gel. And Rhubarb and Rose is absolutely gorgeous. Oh. So I am delighted to see that in number 3. So have you opened your advent calendar yet? Were you lucky enough to get one? I bought one for myself, the Holland and Barrett one. I also bought the Makeup Obsession one, but I did that for a giveaway once I'd opened it. So Kate SW won that. And I was so lucky to be given both these advent calendars as presents. I've got some really lovely friends, so I'm over the moon. So that is day number 3. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.